Colombia, man. Colombia is beautiful. Actually, it's my last night here. So
Oh, Marvach, he's leaving.
yeah, man. I'm leaving Bogota, Colombia, and soon I'll be leaving Colombia in general.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So look, yeah. It's gonna film 4K. What's up, guys? I'm here. My name is Marwa, and I'm with.
Maya, hello.
Yeah, you know the problem is the camera has picked my face,
Yeah.
so it should pick your face when we're going that way. That's Maya right there. You can speak something, Maya.
Hey guys, how are you? This is Maya Afro Wandera.
Yeah, we're here in Bogota, Colombia. We're trying to see if we can make videos. Yeah. Tell them to subscribe to your channel, you know.
Hello guys, how are you? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
In the link below.
I will leave the link below.
Yeah.
And also follow me on my social media, Instagram and everything. Okay?
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna be hitting Bogota Nightlife. Let's see what to do. We shall do some interviews, and also I'll be teaching how to approach strangers in the streets, you know, especially in the dark. Oh, let's cross the road. Okay.
Let's go.
I always tell people this park. I did my first viral video right here. That bench, the first bench.
You see Chivas?
Oh, yeah. So, let's see. We have some chivas here. Chivas are those buses, guys. And, yeah.
Yeah, like with music, you know.
Yeah. So, you want to vlog with this? So, cut it, touch it. So, press 3 times here. Ta, ta, ta. No, you press 2 times. 1, 2, 3.
Uno, dos.
No, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
So, speed. Yeah, so hey, we're right here in Bogota.
Yeah.
And she's vlogging, yeah.
Hello guys. So Chivas is like a partying in a bus.
Yeah, which is happening
Yeah.
right there. You can show them like
Okay, I will show
3
you.
times.
Dos, tres. Look at that. You see
bus.
that? The colorful bus.
Uh-huh.
It's crazy because like this is something really Colombian. Oh, there you are. You see the people over there having fun?
Yeah. Yeah, so
Dos, tres.
so that is Chiva, the one you've seen there.
Oh, look at this, another one. Dos,
Oh, there's another Chiva. Yeah, but with no many people as the previous one. Yeah, so we're in this park.
uno, dos, tres.
Yeah. Uh-huh. 1, 2, 3. So in this park right here, it's Caruja. It's very famous. We're gonna be showing you around, walking around.
Yeah.
And please ensure you follow her.
Yeah,
YouTube
follow
channel.
me
Yeah,
guys.
keep walking.
Okay, so one thing about chivas is like chivas are really common here in Colombia. It's like so today is Friday, so everybody is here. I'm going to show you.
Yeah, people are out here and they're trying to have a good time. So this is like a meeting area, you know. Don't worry, this is like a meeting area where people meet before they go partying. It's called Caruja. Actually, when you're in Colombia, come look for Caruja, okay? The camera captured her face, so yeah.
It's like a,
No, it's okay, yeah, it's okay. You can speak.
okay, but
So the camera detects her face and it tracks her face. So until she disappears, it will be still looking for her.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
So we're in this park right here, guys, and yeah, that's what you can see. So yeah, you can hold it. So if you want to do an interview, we can fast walk, see what's happening. Okay. So you can hold it like this, and it will still.
oh really?
Yeah. Then we press. You see? Now it's filming the sky. It can go any direction. That's why I'm able to feel the streets, no fear. I can put it here and I'm feeling top. Actually, I can release this video tomorrow.
What time?
I don't know.
Yeah, but you
I don't know why
have to
they-
edit it because of the 1, 2, 3.
Oh
Sorry.
yeah. Right now, so you're speaking this. Okay, to me. Wow. So I take some money. Then come with Phil. Yeah. Like a church worship? Oh wow. Let's go.
Quiero arder por ti, Jesús.
So guys, there's a church worship
Ahora
here.
y para
People are worshiping
siempre
here
quiero
as you see.
arder
The guy right there is playing a guitar.
por ti.
Yeah.
Quiero arder por ti,
Thank you.
Jesús. Y que el fuego no se apague. Quiero arder por ti.
Tell me what's happening.
Okay, what the hell? Okay, this was the proof that whatever you're looking for, you can find it here.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was
A church service.
Yeah, a church service. What the hell, Marvin?
Yeah, so we're using the Osmo camera, and sometimes she doesn't know how to operate it so much, but it's not so bad, you know. Yeah. So as she's saying, is a proof you can get anything you want.
Yeah, here in Carulla, no, not in Carulla, in Colombia,
Look
in
at-
Bogota, you can
yeah.
find anything that you're looking for. So
Yeah.
that was crazy. It's not just party, you know. You also can come here and pray. you
Yeah,
know?
yeah. Man, like me, I always say when I die, I wanna go to heaven, you know. I don't be the guy who, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, so we're in Carulla. Look how it looks like. Carulla Park. Yeah. You can tell people some things to do in Bogota as I go to the, you know. So press it, and when you're holding it, you hold it this way. So you can control it from here.
Okay.
Or like this, you know. So 1, 2, 3. You can say anything.
What I can say.
Anything like cost of clubbing here and everything, you know.
Okay, so it's freezing, you guys.
It's really freezing, so you have to come with a jacket.
Yeah,
in
please
Bogota.
bring a jacket. I don't know, a rainy coat, isn't it? Because in Bogota rains
Yeah.
a lot. So guys, I don't know if you know, but in Bogota the party are on Fridays, like
Yeah,
the
on
big
Fridays.
parties,
Big parties.
because like all the students are getting off the university, and in this park there are like many universities around,
Yeah,
many of them.
university students.
University, yeah.
Oh,
So you
yeah.
can like find private universities, even public universities. So this is why this place is crowded, you know.
Yeah.
So on Friday, the parties are on Friday. Also, you can get parties on, I don't know, every day,
Saturdays, yeah.
Saturdays, even Sundays, holidays. But the big parties are on Fridays.
Yeah, Friday night. Friday and Saturday nights, yeah. So, as she's giving you this information, guys, ensure you check her YouTube channel in the link below.
It's freezing.
It's really freezing here in Bogota, really
Yeah,
freezing.
it's freezing.
But we're trying our best to be, you know, to give you some good information. And this is Carulla.
Yeah, Carulla della 85.
La 85.
La 85.
That's very important.
So,
Uh-huh.
85 Street.
85 Street,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I think you will love it because you can find here many things.
Yeah.
You see the worship,
Yeah, the worship, yeah.
and also next to them
Yeah.
they were like a stand comedy, you know.
Oh,
a
like-
guy,
yeah.
stand comedy, and
Yeah.
also the good thing about this place is because you can buy alcohol on Carulla.
Oh yeah.
And you can just sit
Yeah,
here.
you can buy like cheap alcohol around and come here and
Yeah,
drink.
so Carulla is like it's not like a Walmart.
Yeah,
it's,
but, yeah.
it's so much smaller. Like
Yeah.
so in Carulla you can find wine, beers, cigarettes. You can buy whatever you want to eat to buy. I don't know.
Yeah.
Even you can
And
buy.
it's cheaper, right?
Yeah, it's cheap.
Cheaper because
It's cheap.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe if you just want to buy some chips
yeah, cheap.
and sit. I don't know. You don't have to like be drinking here.
Yeah,
You
like
can do whatever you
actually,
want.
see right behind us. Let me show you the camera. Like people are just chilling, and let me show you. Right. Okay, we're turning right there. You see, people are just seated, and people are just seated and just having their own time. So this is Carulla, and the green thing you see over there is where it's written Carulla right there. That's Carulla.
It's
Yeah.
like a grocery store.
Yeah, it's a grocery store with like everything,
Yeah, with everything.
everything you need. Yeah. Oh, my camera stopped. Okay, it's reacting. So, what else can we say about this place? How much do you think per night is like to party here?
To party where?
Here in Carulla? Because this is like the elite area, like classy, expensive area. Oh, cheap liquor right here. And here we have some wines. So which one do you want to have? I wish brand Bitcoin was here. You know what I mean? There's a cheap one of 25.
Yeah, but many people come here.
Yeah.
And you already say something really
Yeah.
important that some people here
Yeah.
are just waiting to like to go to a club later.
Yeah.
So they
It's
come
like a
here.
meeting point.
Yeah. So they it's a meeting point. So you find your friends and what happened?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm still showing the story.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just got here, wait for your friends. You can even eat an empanada, a soda, I don't know. And then you go to the parties, to the clubs, because over here, around here, you can imagine how many clubs you can find. And all the good thing about this place is like you can find clubs. Like a cheap clubs and also like a really expensive club.
Oh yeah, this place you find like cheap and expensive classes.
Yeah, well, like it depends on your pocket,
Yeah.
If you're looking for expensive, you can get it. If you're looking for just chilling here, you can do it. Just buy some beers and that's it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I have heard that in many countries, drinking on the streets is not legal.
Yeah, it's illegal.
Yeah, in the States you cannot drink on the streets.
Yeah, but actually I can say like this, like there are places in many countries where you go some particular
Yeah.
places where they can allow you to drink, Yeah, they can allow
Yeah,
you
but
to
here you can drink.
Yeah.
And it's super safe because
Yeah.
in this place, I don't know if you saw the policemen that was behind us.
Yeah.
So the whole night is going to be police.
So that's
Like
very
a
safe.
watching everything. It's pretty safe.
Yeah. So actually if you're coming to Bogota, Colombia and you don't know where to start it from this park.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
do it.
come to this park. It's called Carulla.
Carulla.
And yeah, it's very, very big, you see, super big. And you'll find a lot of people walking here and doing their own things, selling small things to you. Yeah, and that's Maya right there. That's how she's dressed today. She looks so cute, Yeah.
The party is really super good.
Oh.
So many people go there. Doesn't matter the
Teatron.
I don't know how to say it.
It's called Teatron. Yeah, it's very close to.
Huge. It's huge. I mean, actually, it's super cheaper.
Oh.
Because you pay just like 100 pesos. No, 50,000 pesos. 50,000 pesos.
Yeah.
Right?
50,000
You pay
pesos.
50,000 pesos,
Yeah.
and it's like an open bar. You can drink whatever you want to drink just with 50,000 pesos. So you can get super drunk with 50,000 pesos.
Oh, wow. 50,000.
Yeah,
50,000 is around.
It's less than $20.
$20, less
Yeah,
than $20.
less than $20.
Yeah, less than $20. It's around maybe $18.
Yeah, $18.
Imagine, and that's like the biggest
yeah,
club.
And the party, oh my god, the party is one of the best of Bogota.
Yeah. Colombia, man. Colombia is beautiful. Actually, it's my last night here.
Oh, Marva, he's leaving.
Yeah, man. I'm leaving Bogota, Colombia, and soon I'll be leaving Colombia in general. I feel sad. Maybe I should get some babies here so I could become frequent.
Oh my God, babies. But you know, guys, I have the feeling that Marva is coming. He's going to be back like pretty soon. I don't know why.
No, I'm not sure actually.
Yeah, but I have the feeling that you will be here.
Because I want to go to Southeast Asia. I don't know how long it will take me. And then Africa.
Yeah, and I mean, the world is huge and there are many amazing places. But Colombia is one of them. So don't miss it, guys.
Yeah, man. Colombia is really, man. Yeah, guys, I love you all and take care. We shall be walking around showing you about Caruja, things to do, you know. And hope you give the video a like. Also subscribe to Afro Guajira YouTube channel down in the link below. Okay, and also check her Instagram out, same name, Afro Guajira.
Yeah, you can find me here in any social media as Afro Guajira.
Yeah, and also she's a tour guide. You didn't tell people about that.
So
tell people about tour guide. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Like if you're looking for a tour guide, you can just contact me through any social media, and I can help you.
But you're a tour guide only in Bogota, right?
Only in Bogota. I mean, I want to go another places. I want to go to Medellin, to La Guajira, but for now, I am doing it just in Bogota.
Bogota, yeah.
And I know many of you want to go to Bogota.
Yeah.
So I think there is a Bogota for everyone, for every single person.
Yeah.
So it depends of what you're looking for.
Exactly. Yeah, and sure, also when you come to Bogota, you have to dress, warm.
Oh,
this city is
look at
very,
this. I
very...
forgot my jacket today, and it's freezing.
It's really freezing,
Yeah, but you will like it. It's just a matter of getting used to it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, bye bye. We shall see you in my next one. Bye bye. I can't say bye because I'm carrying my big camera right here.
Bye.
Yeah,
I can say bye from Marva.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye. Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
Don't claim to be no